video, I'm going to show you how to add an image such as this one in a My Lead Gen Secret email. It's actually incredibly easy. You put your cursor wherever you want to add the image. You then click here, this little image icon, and then you need to put a URL. So there are several ways that you can do this. If you have a website like I have, go to your website and find an image of yourself. Then you do, if you're on a Mac, you do Control click. If you're not on a Mac, you just do a Control right click, and you then copy image address. Then you come back here and you paste this in the URL. And then you click outside and you will see this has inserted this image, but it's absolutely huge, as you can see. So now you have to adapt this. I would go for 100 here. And it's got this funny text. Just completely ignore this text. Don't worry about it. Just make sure that the image is roughly the size that you want. Make sure that this is locked so portions will stay correct. Once you're happy with this, click OK. And that's it. You have your image. Now, what happens if you don't have a website? Because not everybody has a website. Now, you almost certainly have a Facebook profile. So go to your Facebook profile and then go to your profile picture, click on it and click See Profile Image. Now, same thing, if you're on a Mac, Control click. If you are not on a Mac, you do a right click. And then you click on Copy Image Address, exactly the same thing. You go back to your mailing system, click the little image icon and paste the URL. And then click outside of it, same thing, adjust the size. Okay, this one is square, so it's just 100 over 100. And you click OK. And there you go. If you want to hyperlink this image to something, you simply click on the image and then you come and click on this little hyperlink here and you can hyperlink it to anything that you want, any URL that you want. Now you might have noticed that underneath the image I have several links, and believe it or not, this is how I make most of my sales with My Lead Gen Secret. And if you want the exact winning email template that I use and you want to follow my exact strategy, then you can go and watch this video next. It will teach you exactly how to do. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.